Everyone wants to have smooth skin, strong hair, and nails. The way to have these and a fitter body is to follow a healthy nutrition program, with the healthy eating trend that has intensified in recent years. Many people are searching for answers to questions such as what is healthy eating? How should we eat? By following the steps on our list, you can create a suitable 1-month or 1-week healthy eating program for yourself. In order to adopt healthy eating habits in the long term, you need to start with small steps. If you want to get information on other important issues related to healthy and long life, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. You should make sure you eat the 5 basic food groups every day. A daily healthy eating list should include the 5 basic food groups: meat, milk, vegetables, fruit, fat, and whole grains. You should consume enough water every day. Water is the most suitable thing to be skipped within the scope of a healthy diet list. However, you should definitely consume the amount of water you will calculate based on your weight every day. Fluid intake both protects your skin health and allows you to have a moist skin and makes your metabolism work faster. Above all, water is very important for your cell health. Eliminate animal and trans fats from your daily fat intake. Fat intake is very important for the body, however. It would be correct to say that animal and trans fats are not among the healthy dietary recommendations. These types of fats will disrupt your skin health. These are the fats that will cause an increase in acne by reducing sebum production. They also invite more serious cardiovascular diseases. Substituting healthy fats instead of these will be more suitable for a healthy eating menu.
Another point to consider when creating a 1-month healthy eating program is that your list must include foods containing vitamin A or C, antioxidants, and selenium. These foods are fresh vegetables and fruits, fish, walnuts, hazelnuts, dairy products.
Alcohol and smoking are definitely not among the recommendations for a healthy diet. In addition to causing many health problems, it also causes you to have a damaged skin. It increases wrinkle formation and leads to tired skin. Alcohol and smoking have no place in a healthy diet. While creating a healthy nutrition list, it is necessary not to skip foods containing zinc. Foods containing zinc should definitely be on your table. You can meet this need by consuming fish and seafood several times a week. Milk and yogurt are among the recommendations for a healthy diet. Calcium intake is very important for whole body health. You can meet your calcium needs by drinking 2 glasses of milk or consuming yogurt every day. If you are lactose intolerant, you can consider suitable milk options. Fiber foods are among the most important foods that you should include in your daily healthy nutrition program. Fibrous foods are very important both for your intestinal health and for your nail development. Dried legumes contain high fiber as well as protein. It will be very useful to add legumes to your daily diet. You should eat 5 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. These colorful plates will allow you to have a healthy diet and visual satisfaction. Eating a fruit and vegetable-based diet will greatly benefit your physical health. The last and most important step is to eat safe foods. One of the answers to the question of what a healthy diet is to avoid processed foods as much as possible. One of the most important points about healthy eating recently is to avoid packaged foods with high preservatives. These foods both disrupt the health of your organs and cause irreversible damage to your skin health. When creating a healthy eating program for yourself, you should make your list by paying attention to all these steps. Eating healthy will have a positive effect on your mental health as well as your physical health. In these 10 steps, we have shared the basics of healthy eating. It is important to make the right choices about nutrition for a healthy lifestyle. Remember, healthy eating is not only good for your health, but also for your mental health. For more information on healthy eating, please consult a dietitian or nutritionist. Thank you, and see you in our next video. You can support us by liking the video, writing your thoughts on the subject in the comments, and subscribing to the channel for the development of the channel and more such content.